Something a little bit different in today's video. What I'm actually going to be doing, trying some automotive photography in this, a Polaroid camera. So what I'm thinking, nice little backdrop here, and I'll pretty much see how it turns out. I mean, you can't really zoom in this, can't really do much. I haven't taken a single picture yet, but let's see how it goes. Okay, we just have to wait for it to develop. What I'm thinking next, so I might try the forward angle maybe, might try this one. I'm not really sure how this works. Let's see how it turns out. You do get a flash as default in all of the pictures, which is a little bit annoying. I'm not even sure which side it comes out on. Check that out. I'll be back in a couple of minutes once it fully develops. Let's have a go. Okay, check this out. It's not really focusing on it though. But I mean, one thing I can notice is the sky is very overexposed. It pretty much looks white. Just wait for that to develop. Another thing I noticed with this is you actually get the flash as default, and then it's got a mode to actually bring it out, kind of like a selfie mode. You just, oh, there we go. Just pull it out. And I mean, another pretty much a mini review on this. You get 20 pictures. You get 10 per cartridge. You can see it there. So there's an S mode, which I think it just means safe. So you just cycle one, you press the shutter once, and kind of a blank picture comes out, and then you get 10 pictures. I'm not sure if I should open this while there's one in there, but yeah, the cartridges cost about 15 quid for 20 pictures, which is pretty expensive. That's never going to work. Just comes with, oh, bit of trouble getting that open, but look, 2 AA batteries. It does come with them, so it's not too bad. Yeah, focus range 0.3mm. Not sure what that means. And that's where the film comes out. The flash is pretty bright actually. I think this has fully developed, but if we check that out, it's a pretty good photo, but just got this nice location. But I'm just going to find another angle, maybe the front angle, and see how it turns out. I'll be back in a second. So part 2, second angle. I'm thinking this way. I might try it as a sideways shot though this time. See if I can get this one right here, and let's see how that turns out. Yeah, so the second one was a bit of a failure. But this one, the colour and the building came out a lot better. Look at that. First one, second one. Yeah, it's a bit of a quick video today. Drop a like, subscribe. Just testing this thing out. I might try and find another couple of locations, but yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Just to give a quick summary actually before I leave, in terms of the cameras. The camera costs about £60, and the film costs about £15 for 2 packs of 10 shots. so the cartridges I showed earlier, which works out about 75p per shot. So it is pretty expensive, and I think you just have to take your time with it, but I think its main forte is in terms of the selfie mode. So if I just show you that very quickly, turn it on, pull this forward, and you just take a selfie like that. I think at about 30 to 50 centimeters is its optimum area, but I'd definitely give it a go. Can't wait to kind of test this more and potentially give a further update in the near future with another video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and drop a cheeky like, and also follow us on Instagram. Cheers.